Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the screen of this Nokia 2.4 phone. As you can see, this black spot in the middle of the screen, that's why we are going to replace it so that we can put a new one. So firstly, you first unscrew and disassemble everything on the phone so that we can remove the spoiled screen from the frame. Remove every node slowly by slowly. After that, you remove the covers for the motherboard, and then you remove these stoppers, the ones we use to remove the battery from the phone. You pull them and you first unplug the screen and the battery from the motherboard, then you pull it. You see, when you pull those handles, it's very easy to remove the battery. Then from there, we try to hit the phone on the separator so that it can be easy to remove the screen from the phone, not to damage the phone frame. After that, we use a braid to remove the screen from the frame gently. Then after removing the screen, we use a pair of tweezers to remove the sticky gum within the frame. Then we get a new screen which we are going to replace. Then we first test it before fixing it totally within the phone. Here we connect the screen to the motherboard and the battery, then we put the phone on to test if the phone is the screen we are going to press is working well, not just to go blindfolded and put the new screen when it's not working well or not in good conditions. As you can see, it's touching, it's working well, good to go with this one. Then we put this screw to attach the screen to the frame of the phone. After putting the screw, then we put the screen to the frame and we make sure it's assembled well. We arrange them well, we put the battery to the frame. You put the small board connector, then we put the chassis of the main board. Then you put the nails back to the phone and fix it well. Then you see the phone is working well. It's done now already. So thank you guys for watching.